Zyro Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. In this review, I'll break down Zyro's features, benefits, and limitations, with links to the platform included in the description for your convenience. Zyro is designed with simplicity in mind, making it a strong contender for small businesses, freelancers, and anyone needing a basic website quickly. The platform offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop builder, AI-driven tools for design and content generation, and a range of clean, modern templates to choose from. Zyro's standout features include its AI Writer, which can help generate content for your site, and the AI Heat Map, which predicts where visitors will focus their attention. These tools are great for those who might not have a design or content background, but still want a professional-looking site. Zyro also offers essential e-commerce functionality, making it possible to set up a small online store with minimal effort. However, Zyro is not without its drawbacks. Its design flexibility is somewhat limited compared to more advanced platforms like Webflow or Wix. If you're looking for deep customization or unique, complex layouts, Zyro might feel restrictive. Additionally, while its e-commerce tools are easy to use, they're more suited for smaller stores. Large-scale e-commerce operations might find Zyro's features lacking. On the plus side, Zyro's pricing is competitive, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. The platform also integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel, helping you track and optimize your site's performance. In summary, Zyro is an excellent choice for those who need a straightforward, affordable website builder with useful AI tools to guide the design and content process. It's ideal for small businesses, freelancers, or personal projects. But if you require extensive customization or plan to scale a large e-commerce site, you might want to consider more robust options.